So today we're here for the 2023 Ottawa Airfield Pavement Rehabilitation Project. We've been asked back for another year here with the Airport Authority. This year's scope of work is more integrated as we're trying to move forward with our integrated projects. That involves our heavy civil group, our sewer and water group, our road building group, and everything in between. So we're here to replace some concrete panels where the planes are parked along the apron by the terminal building. We're also doing a full rehabilitation of taxiway Echo this year. So new storm sewers, new electrical utilities, new roadblocks, and some new asphalt as well. When this project is finished, I'm going to say this will be my favorite project that I've worked on. Again, because it's so integrated, I'm learning so much coming from the sewer and water world. So this really gives me a chance to learn the different disciplines that this company has and really build on my skills that I have. I think that this project is just inherently interesting as we're at the airport. There's planes taking off and landing away next to us constantly, so I find it very interesting.